Ito nga yung condition ng face natin ngayon. Nakikita nyo maraming dark spot. Sponsor guys, pero gusto ko lang i-try kasi matagal na yung brand na to. Tsaka try natin kung hihiyang tayo at magiging effective sa aking skin. Meron siya kasamang cream, toner, sunscreen, soap. Tapos ang nating mangkilamos. Ikot lang natin sa.
It was some cream. Would it help?
This is toner.
Toner. Oh.
Konti.
But Mom, I will laugh. So, oh my goodness.